I'm Jesse Taylor, and I teach mathematics at Angelo State University. So primarily I teach the calculus sequence, but really I teach anything in the undergraduate curriculum. Some things I love about the MathGPT tutor are it's available all the time. So I frequently tell my students in class, if they email me at 11 p.m., I'm not going to respond until the next day. But they can go ask this tutor 24/7, right? I mean, it's in there all the time, anytime they want to chat with it and engage with it. Or if they want to do work on their own schedule, it can help them whenever they want. If they don't get something the first time, they can just continue to rephrase or ask for more clarification over and over, and it's just going to tell them, okay, how about this? How about that? Some things I love about the course and assignment manager are auto grading. Obviously, anytime you have an online based system, you want some of the grading to be done for you. And this does that. So that's really good. But also when you're creating assignments, you can have it auto generate questions by learning objective, which is not super common, but is also very helpful. So if I want to test, does a student understand how to evaluate trig functions or something similar, I can just choose that learning objective and it'll generate however many questions I want. I can choose the style and it sort of makes them all up on the go. So I really like that. Also, the user interface is pretty easy. So if I copy a course, and then I want to go back and re-edit my assignments, it's pretty easy to edit them and go back in and, of course, change things like due dates, et cetera. But I can also just remove questions, add questions. So I like that flexibility, too, for reuse if I'm going to use it for more than one semester. MathGPT differs from other AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity in that, for one, there are a lot of guardrails in place. So a student can't just say, what's the answer to this problem? The MathGPT tutor is going to ask them, well, the first step is this. Do you know how to do that? Another thing that differs from major publisher platforms is that MathGPT has a very affordable version. So the one I'm using right now is free, and that is huge, right? I mean, compared to something from one of the major publishers that's going to cost a student $100 a semester, right? Now I can get 80% of the functionality for free. That's a big win for my students because I know they're very concerned about costs. And even if you don't do the free option, like if you want the full bells and whistles package, it's still very affordable compared to major publisher platforms.